how to fix the app is incompatible with your phone issue on Android. So if you want to fix the app incompatible with your phone issue on your Android, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your Play Store. From the Play Store, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the top right. Now here you need to go with settings and then go with general. Under general, you need to scroll down a bit and then you will find an option of app install optimization. You need to go and turn this option off. Once you do that, you can go back and now you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find apps option. Tap on apps and go with manage apps. And here you need to search for Chrome. After searching, tap on the Chrome application and then go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and clear cache. Tap on OK. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and make sure that you have also allowed the permissions. Once you do that, you can just simply go back and restart your device and your problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply go back and then open up your Play Store, go with your profile, and from here you need to tap on Play Protect and go with your settings, which will be in the top right. And here you need to go and turn off the option of scan apps with Play Protect. Go and turn it off, tap on turn off, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.